a good position to be in.
Yeah, I know it. I mean,
Battle.
yeah, that's
Buddy, I wasn't like that before Amazon, but it taught me.
Nope.
He came up here and he had his shirt off and he was just tearing shit up in there.
I really like the hammock. It's really good for my back. I sleep really good in it.
Yeah.
So that's why.
All right, I'm just gonna burn the small stuff.
Okay. Go ahead, Brian.
Well, how should it be cold?
6.
My grandson has a YouTube channel.
Does he? Really?
Fishing.
Like that.
Yeah.
Or get the extender magazine. Now this is your MSC. This is
Interchangeable, and so it's like a little squeeze,
or whatever you call it.
Pretty rough.
Does this bang? Like big bang?
That's what even when my brother or when I shot it.
Well, he might know what he's talking about. That's a pretty fancy rig there, man. You shoot, or whether it's spent some time in Iowa. And I was talking to a buddy.
Right here with the 12 gauge. I almost lost one.
Fallen soldier.
How many you cooking?
You got the Craftsman's, bud.
I got mine. I brought some mine.
Sausage.
I don't know. You
Well,
wanna,
you can do whatever you want with it.
Yeah, what do you want to
with
do?
it?
What do you want to do? You want to make some sausage?
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't mind having a little bit of
You
it.
eat-
belly.
I
But
asked.
there's an extra procedure there.
You gotta brine it.
Yeah, what?
Brine it?
Yeah.
That sounds right.
It was just inject